Before you begin, remove the access panel, drives cage, front bezel, M.2 solid-state drive, wireless LAN module, SD card reader, memory, graphics and expansion cards if installed, single serial port module, system fan, heatsink, processor, and option board if installed. Removal. Disconnect all cables connected to the motherboard, noting their place for reinstallation. Remove the 8 Torx T15 screws that secure the motherboard to the chassis. Tilt the front edge of the motherboard up and slide the board towards the front of the unit. Tilt the rear of the motherboard up and remove the board from the chassis. Replacement. At an angle, lower the system board into the chassis, sliding the front I/O panel through the cutout. Slide the system board back and align the rear I/O panel with the cutouts in the chassis. Press the system board into place, ensuring the screw holes are aligned. Replace the 8 Torx T15 screws to secure the motherboard to the chassis. Reconnect all cables to the motherboard.